On the vendor registration page, click Register. Then fill in the form correctly and completely. After that, click Register. Then, the registration success page will appear. Enter the email we registered, then click on the email from Bhirawa Circle, then click on Account Activation. We'll enter the password creation page. If you have created a password, then click Sign Up. Then you will enter the vendor portal page. Click on Complete Data. Fill in the completeness data correctly. If it is correct, click Save. Then you will enter the bank account page. After completing the bank data, click Save, then click Next, and the contact person page will appear. After completing the contact person, click Save, then click Next, and it will appear on the supporting data page. Complete the supporting data appropriately and ensure the document's expiry date. Then click Save. If you have work experience, you can add it, then click Save and click the confirmation button. Then go to the statement confirmation page. If you agree, you can click the box button, then click the confirmation button, and you're done.